Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have some confirmed spoilers for the June BoxyCharm box. Now this is going to be for the standard $21 box. And these of course were found at BoxyCharm on Instagram and also on BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram. So the first thing that you know that you're getting is going to be either one of the two. Either the Tarte exclusive unreleased Rainforest of the Sea palette, or you will be getting the Tarte Pro Glow face palette. The next thing is going to be the Touch in Soul Prime Essence Primer. Now this is going to be in both boxes, and I know a lot of people were asking if that was going to be in the standard box as well, and it is. So we know those are confirmed. Now the next one is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. There's going to be one or two shades, Strawberry Lemonade or peach tea. Now this is still unconfirmed, but it was in the BoxyCharm sneak peek video, so we're just waiting on them to confirm it. And as soon as they release any more information, I will update you guys. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't. As long as YouTube sees you're watching it, that's all that really counts. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free guys, from me to you, and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.